Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to refinance your loan through Bright. Looking to reduce your monthly payments or just get a better interest rate? Well, here's how to refinance your loan using Bright. First, open the Bright app and log into your account. Navigate to the loans section from your dashboard. Tap on the active loans that you want to refinance. Look for the refinance or explore refinancing options button and tap on it. Bright will guide you through a short questionnaire about your income, credits, and current loan terms. Once completed, Bright will display eligible refinancing offers that are tailored to your profile. Compare the available offers, focusing on lower interest rates, new repayment terms, and total savings over time. When you find the offer that works for you, tap to refinance. Now you may be asked to upload additional documentations like proof of income or just extra identification. Submit your application and wait for the confirmation. You can track the application status from your loan screen. Once approved, Bright will automatically pay off your old loan and replace it with the new term. And you're done. Your loan is refinanced and you're saving money. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more Bright tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.